Hey there, welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to get off the Grubhub waitlist and basically start accepting orders as a delivery driver, okay? So if you're eager to begin your gig guys, let's dive in, okay? First, first things first, if you haven't already guys, you want to go to the Grubhub website or just download the Grubhub driver app from, the App Store or Google Play. And after installing, you'll need to sign up by, entering your personal details, vehicle information, and your preferred working hours, okay? And basically, guys, once you have signed up, you'll be placed on the wait list if there's a high demand in your area. So to check your wait list status, you just want to open the Grubhub driver app and look for a message indicating that you are on the wait list. If it's available, then the app will notify you when, once spots open up. So to actually improve, okay, increase your chances of, getting off the wait list faster, you want to basically, guys, make sure that your profile is fully completed. What you want to do, guys, is do things like upload a professional photo, provide all the necessary documents, and confirm that your vehicle is registered and insured, guys. Now, Grubhub actually, operates in certain areas where there's high demand for drivers, so it might actually take some time to get off the wait list. If you still want waiting after a long period, you can actually contact Grubhub support to ask about your position in line, or just request an update. Basically, guys, just keep an eye on the Grubhub driver app for updates about your status. Sometimes Grubhub will reach out to you directly via email or within the app to inform you guys that you're off the wait list and ready to start delivering, guys. And that's it, guys. All of these steps, okay, improve your profile, and you'll actually be on your way to becoming a Grubhub driver in no time, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you on the road, guys. See you also in the next video.